right, so the car is complete, needs a couple little things, needs a gear shifter, and it needs a couple things hooked up wire wise, but it's everything else is done, and it just kind of might get sold. I know, I know people are sick of that, but it is what it is. If I'm gonna keep going and do these projects and you know build the stuff that I want to build, it's you got to sell things and then you buy other things. It's just the way it works. And there's a guy that really wants it, saw it on the Instagram, and wants to come pick it up. So I have another one. It's only right. This one can go, and I'll still have one. And I'm gonna get a Model A. That's the plan for right now, unless I find a cool Cadillac or something like that. But for now, I want to get a Model A. That's today. That's what I want to do. That could change in an hour from now. That's the nice thing about life is you have choices. But thanks for watching, and I know this was kind of a cheesy series. I don't know. I wouldn't say cheesy, but it was a quick series. It wasn't a 35 episode long series. It was just basically 4 episodes of me getting this thing on the road, essentially. The brakes need a little tuning up, but they work. I didn't really have to do much to that. And everything just kind of went as planned, sort of. But, I had a couple little hiccups. The motor mounts aren't in either yet. They're sitting over there, but, they're not installed. I'm going to let the next guy do that because he might have to move the engine around, so I don't want to weld them in where they belong. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and here's another one bites the dust, and we'll see you on the next one. I'm not sure what we're going to do, but I got to start maintaining my other two cars. The 58 needs a tune-up. The 51 needs a lot of stuff. I'm going to start working on the floor and tearing the seats out. I bought heat shield or sound deadening stuff for the floor. I might carpet it. I want to make some door cards. I'm going to start working on that, but this pretty much wraps up this build, and we'll see you on the next one.